Hey everyone, Study Prof here. Welcome back. Are you tired of studying and not seeing the results you want? Well, today we're going to talk about why you should not type, but rather write. Trust me, this small change can lead to big improvements in academic performance. Research has shown that handwriting notes instead of typing them significantly improves mental retention of knowledge. In short, students who wrote their notes by hand outperform their typing counterparts on tests of recall. Also, paper note takers score significantly higher than laptop users on exams and earn more A grades in the classroom. Moreover, both laptop and paper users in the same classroom supported a policy restricting laptop use to just certain areas of the classroom. This shows how aware students are of the distraction of laptops to both people using the laptops and to those around them. To improve learning, after class, rewrite your notes the same day and put them in your own words. This practice reinforces what you learned and helps you understand the material on a deeper level. For many students that use laptops in the class, they cannot focus as they are using the laptop for other things besides writing notes or reviewing course content. So to wrap it up, research shows that handwritten notes are more useful for studying and committing to memory than typed notes. Ultimately contribute to a higher achievement for college students who are handwriting their notes. So do not type, rather write. Thank you, and remember, a better you produces a better world for us all. Take care.